The entire universe operates by a set of unbreakable rules, like the guiding principles of existence. These laws are always at work, no matter where you are. Some govern the physical world, while others apply to the mysterious realms of quantum and spirituality. These spiritual laws are just as important as the physical ones and affect every aspect of our lives on Earth. For thousands of years, wise thinkers have known about and talked about these spiritual laws, yet many people today are unaware of them. They've been passed down through generations, but they're not widely recognized or understood. Some believe that if you grasp and apply these spiritual laws, you can make your desires a reality. One of these laws is the "you reap what you sow" law, which is also supported by many religious texts. Essentially, it means that everything you do, think, and intend sends out an invisible energy, like planting seeds. This energy comes back to us in equal measure, just like planting a seed and nurturing it into a flourishing plant. In your life, your mind is the soil, your thoughts are the seeds, your actions are the water, and your feelings are the sunlight. Negative thoughts and actions yield despair, while positive ones lead to happiness. The universe doesn't play favorites. It responds to what you put out there. As Steve Maraboli said, plant seeds of happiness, hope, success, and love, and they'll come back to you in abundance. Most people struggle in life because they focus on what they don't want. There's a saying that energy flows where attention goes, and it's true. When you constantly think about something, it tends to become bigger in your life. That's because everything is energy, and similar energies attract each other. So, if you keep thinking about what you lack or what you don't want, you'll attract more of it. Your thoughts and words have a powerful connection to your surroundings. When you intensely focus on something, it's more likely to become a reality. Quantum physics even shows us that our conscious observation can influence outcomes and shape our reality. To put this into practice, write down your goals, visualize them, and feel the positive emotions they bring. But remember, thoughts and words alone won't do the trick. You need action. Break your goals into manageable steps and consistently take action. Trust the process, believe in yourself, and know that you can plant the seeds of your dreams. So, plant positive thoughts in your mind, be kind to others, and share your positivity. These laws are here to guide you on your journey, so keep seeking wisdom, and may they always work in your favor. Feel free to share your thoughts and spread the positivity.